Hi, hello, namaste. A big announcement for future educators. The NCRT has announced RIE CE 2025 today in the late evening. Here are the updates regarding the RIE CE 2025. As we all are waiting for the exam notification and exam date and further details. So here we are bringing you the latest updates regarding the RICE. Just like other years, this year also NCRT has been released RICE 2025 notification. On my screen, you are able to see the notification which is released on 15th May 2025, and you can clearly see there are total 9 constituent units are going to participate in this exam, starting with RIE Ajmer, RIE Bhopal, RIE Bhubaneswar, Mysore, Shillong, and also a new RIE has been added this year, that is RIE Nellore, and NIE CIET and PSSCIB. Altogether total 9 components are going to participate in the RIE CEE exam. Through this exam, it's a wonderful opportunity for the PU completed students, 12th class completed students to join BA B.Ed course, which is a 4 years integrated course, BSc B.Ed, which is a 4 years integrated course, and also MSc Ed, which is a 6 years integrated course. These three courses, BA B.Ed, BSc B.Ed, and MSc B.Ed, are 100% you know a better opportunity for all 12th completed students. And B.Ed 2 years course is also been offered for undergraduate students, undergraduation completed students, and there is one more B.Ed M.Ed 3 years integrated course, and also MA education technology 2 years integrated, and M.Ed 2 years integrated course, which are available in various RIAs. The official notification regarding the application starting date and application ending date is going to be announced soon. As of now, RIA Bhubaneswar, which is the conducting authority for CE 2025, has been finalized the date of RIE exam. So you can see on my screen 29th June 2025 is the tentative date finalized for CE 2025. Again, I am repeating, 29th June 2025 is the tentative date. It may subject to change by notification in the official CE portal. So tentatively, we came to know that 29th June 2025 is the CE exam date. So online application will be available very shortly in the institute website, that is RIE Bhubaneswar, www.riebbs.ac.in. The application starting date as well as ending date and the final exam date, every details regarding the eligibility, criteria of the eligibility, reservation criteria, and domicile criteria for all the RIAs. The complete details are going to be available in the website soon. So from, if I consider from 16th, that is from tomorrow, approximately you are going to have 45 days, solid 45 days to start your preparation. So we have planned a well scientifically designed 45 days design to train you to attend level 1 exam for BA, BSc Ed and MSc Ed course, and also level 2 exam for B.Ed and B.Ed M.Ed integrated course. We are offering a short crash course for 45 days through Tej Academy. For further details, you can log in to Tej Academy app in Play Store, or you can also follow our YouTube channel, Tej Academy YouTube channel, for more details. We have also uploaded some sample classes of teaching aptitude. You can go through it, and I suggest you all, for the aspirants of RIEC exam, just go through our YouTube channel as well as our Tej Academy app available in Play Store for more details and make best use of it. Thank you all.